This is your chapter number 4, data communication and networks, and this is the second lecture of this chapter, right? And the content of this template is network topologies and properties of a good communication system. Now, what is the topology? A network topology is the arrangement with which computer systems or network devices are connected to each other. जिस तरह हम इस वक्त आपके साथ connected हैं, बिल्कुल इसी तरह से the connection among the people and by using different devices, different computers, right? The connection of different computers from different places are arranged through a system that is known as the topology, network topology, right? This is the network topology by which different computers are connected from different places by using internet. Topologies may define both physical and logical aspects of the network. Both logical and physical topologies could be same or different in a same network. There are different types of topologies which we'll discuss right now. And first of all, what is topology? Topology is a system by which different computers are connected together, right? By using internet, right? Okay. This is the networking. As you see that there are the mailboxes, social media, and each and everything. Different people around the world are connected together by different using different social media or different apps by using different apps through internet. And internet is the main medium by which all of them are connected together. This is the network, right? Okay, now what is the topic about? It is networking, its topologies and types of topologies, right? Topology, I explained that the system by which all the computers are connected together from different places is known as the topology. And now these are the types of topologies: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 topologies, but basically in your syllabus there are three topologies, that is star, ring, and bus. But I'll explain all 5 topologies to you through the definitions. At least you should know that how many topologies are there, right? Number 1. Now start from number 1. Number 1 is the star topology. And star topology is the most common used nowadays. बहुत commonly used हो रही है. Point to point और unicast communication, एक से दूसरे तक, मतलब जो सर्वर है उससे वर्क स्टेशन का कनेक्शन पॉइंट टू पॉइंट. सिक्योरिटी ऑफ डेटा. All computers will be connected to a central controller, usually called a hub or a switch. All computers means all workstations that are connected through the central controller, that is known as the hub, and that is the server as well. Beta, can you server through which different computers are connected together? Central device, that is switch or hub, has addresses of all the computers connected to it. You will see through the diagram, you will understand through the diagram of it, right? If one device want to send the data to another, it sends the data to the controller, which then relays the data to the other connected device. Now see the diagram here. Right? This is the switch, the hub, or you can say the main server. The data is transferred from, let's suppose the data is transferred from this workstation to this workstation. First, this workstation will send the data to the server, to the main server, and then it will send to this computer. This is the switch or hub connected to the main server. This is the main server. This is the switch and hub. It is connected to the main server, and all the data first goes to the main server and then distribute to other workstations, right? This is the star topology, the main server based topology, and this is commonly used nowadays. These are the workstation. As you see that these are the workstation, data is transferred from these workstations to the server, right? Is it clear now? You can see here that this is the star topology, and there is a switch or hub which receives the data. Now, one more thing, that the main server has the addresses of all the workstations, right? The main server has all the addresses of these workstations. Why addresses? Because it should know that from where the data is coming and from where the data is to be sent. कहाँ से data आ रहा है और किस workstation पे जाना है, that should be known by the main server, and this is the main server which handles all the data communication among all the workstations. Now see again the definition. Central device, as you see that switch or hub has addresses of all computers connected to it. If one device wants to send the data to another, it sends the data to the controller. And which is the controller? Controller is the server, which then relays the data to other connected devices. Now that server will send the data to other connected workstations, right? Now I think it must be clear to you. Now the second one, this is the ring topology. In a ring topology, nodes are connected to each other in a ring form. एक ring की form में आपस में computers connected होते हैं. The data travel from one node to another node in the form of a ring. The data travels from one node to another node in the form of a ring, right? Now see the diagram. This is the ring topology. The computers are connected by this ring, and these are the nodes by which the computers are connected to each other, right? The data can be transferred by these nodes. The data can be transferred by these nodes. This is the ring topology. Now, see the difference? This is the star topology. Star topology, there is a server by which the data is transferred from one place to another by using the different addresses of the workstations. Now, this is the ring topology, and by ring topologies, these are the nodes by which computers are connected to each other. There is no central server. There is no central server, right? Wait, Nawal, I'm telling you. Is it diagram? Unique cost means one computer, one workstation will send the data only to the other. Like it is not transferred from all the computer to all the computers at a time, right? It will send the data to the server, and the server relays that data to other workstation. It means it is a single communication, like from this computer, from this workstation to the server, and then server to other workstation. It is a single communication. This is known as the point to point, like from point 1 to point 2, and then again from point 1 to point 2, and then again from point 1 to point 2. जहाँ जाना होगा वहाँ पर data transfer करना एक ही जगह. That is the unique cost. Is it clear now? Yes, Nawal, it's clear. Okay, now this is the ring topology, and ring topology, I said you that it is in the form of nodes. These are the nodes connected different computers, connect different computers to each other, but there is no central server, there is no hub, no switch, right? Now you can see that this is the bus topology. A bus topology is a topology of a local area network in which all the nodes are connected to a single cable. एक सिंगल केबल से सारी नोड्स कनेक्टेड होंगी, और उस केबल को क्या कहते हैं हम? दैट इज द बैकबोन, बिकॉज इट इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट बाय विच ऑल द कंप्यूटर्स आर कनेक्टेड. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज द बैकबोन. If the backbone is broken, the entire segments fail. Now see the diagram. This is the backbone. This is the backbone, right? A single wire by which all the computers are connected together. Now see the diagram in which workstation number 2 transmits the data through the wire, and all the data is transferred to different computers by using the backbone. This is the backbone, right? Now, Here, workstation number 4 transmits the data, and the data is transferred to all computers by using this wire and by using this node to other computers. This is the backbone of this topology, bus topology, right? All the computers are connected through a wire, all the nodes are connected to a wire, and that transmits the data to other workstations. So how many topologies we have done? The star topology, in which server is there, main server, hub is there, and ring topology, by which computers are connected together by making a formation of ring. This is the bus topology, by which the computers are connected through a wire, and this is known as the backbone of that topology. Now clear? The next one is a mesh topology. A mesh topology is a network setup where each computer and network device is interconnected with one another. Now you can see the diagram in this. This topology setup allows for most transmissions to be distributed even if one of the connection goes down. It is topology commonly used for wireless network. इस wireless network हमारे पास कौन से होते हैं? जो Wi-Fi signals होते हैं, ठीक है? तो इसमें हमारे पास मैश टोपोलॉजी यूज़ हो रही होती है. जो मैश टोपोलॉजी का मतलब ये है कि ऑल द कंप्यूटर्स आर इंटरकनेक्टेड विद ईच अदर. नाउ सी द डायग्राम हियर. Data is transferred from this computer and sends to other computers, all the computers at a time, right? Full mesh topology. Like this data is transferred from this computer and sent to all the computers. Now and the data is transferred from this computer and sent to all the computers. These are the mesh topologies, and you can see that as you see in the diagram, it looks like networking which we are using by using internet. All the computers are interconnected with each other. See the lines. This computer is connected to this one. This line shows it, right? The same computer, this one is connected to this computer as well. This line shows it, right? Now the same computer is connected to this network, right? Now the same, this one first computer is connected to this computer as well, and to this computer as well, right? So each computer, each workstation is connected to all the workstations, right? You can see in the diagram that all the computers, now if I'm taking the example of this computer, it is connected to this one, this one, this one, or this or this. All the computers are interconnected to each other, right? This is the mesh topology. There is no ring, there is no bus, there is no server, but all the computers are connected to each other. This is what we are using right now, right? Mesh topologies, like we are connected to each other. You can talk to me, you can talk to your friend as well, I can talk to you, I can talk to another student as well. This is the mesh topology. Now, the fifth one is hybrid topology. Hybrid topology, as we know that if I'm talking about the computers, analog computer, digital computer, and hybrid computer is the combination of analog and digital computer. In the same way, a hybrid topology is a type of network topology that uses two or more different network topologies. Hybrid is the actually the name which is given to the to anything which is the combination of something, right? Like hybrid planting are there, that these are the combination of two different plants. There is hybrid planting, there is hybrid computer, the combination of analog and digital computer, right? In the same way, in topologies, hybrid is the combination of two or more different network topologies. These topologies can include a mix of bus topology, mesh topology, ring topology, star topology, and tree topology, right? We have not discussed the tree topology right now. So hybrid could be the combination of any topologies. This is the combination of any two or more different topologies. See the diagram here. This is like a bus topology. connected by a wire. This is the bus topology. This is the main server to star topology. It is the combination of star and bus topology, right? Now see again, star topology. There are 5 different topologies: star, ring, bus, mesh, and hybrid. In your course, there are 3 topologies, that is star, ring, and bus topology. Yes, Nawal. Now star, this is the star topology, ring topology, bus topology. This should be your main focus, as these 3 topologies are included in your syllabus, right? Mesh, hybrid, and now the properties of a good communication system. Now, if a good communication system, it is also included in your reduced syllabus of chapter 4. The effectiveness of a data communication system depends on 3 fundamental characteristics. 3 चीज़ें हैं जिस पर आपका कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम डिपेंड करता है कि वो प्रॉपर्टीज़ क्या होनी चाहिए, वो चीज़ें क्या होनी चाहिए. नंबर 1, डिलीवरी. नंबर 2 is accuracy, and number 3 is timeliness, right? डिलीवरी किसी चीज़ को, जैसे अगर मैं आपको एग्जांपल दूं, एज अकॉर्डिंग टू योर इंटरेस्ट, दैट फूड पांडा डिलीवर्स फूड वेरी क्विकली, right? That is their delivery property, that their delivery is very prompt. Accuracy, like the perfect data which is needed to be transmitted, right? Timeliness, without the interruption of time. These three are the properties of a good communication system. Good communication, like we need to communicate with each other. There must be 3 things which could be which should be proper, which should be prompt: delivery, accuracy, and timeliness. Now, delivery. The system must deliver data to the correct destination. First important thing is destination. What is the destination? The destination is the place where the data needs to be transmitted. Like I am conducting this lecture, and it should be, you are the destination, you are the students or the destination which are listening, which are receiving this data, right? Source is my computer and destinations are your computers, right? The system must deliver data to the correct destination, to the correct place. Data must be received by the intended device or user, and only by that device or user. So data should be transferred from the proper correct place and to transmit to the correct person, right? Or the terminal. Now the accuracy, the system must deliver the data accurately. Data that have been altered in transmission and left incorrect are unusable. जो डेटा जिसमें कोई एरर आ जाता है, फाइल करप्ट हो जाती है, अगर वो फाइल आपके पास पहुंचेगी, ऑब्वियसली दैट इज़ यूजलेस, बेकार है वो डेटा. तो डेटा की एक्यूरेसी परफेक्ट होनी चाहिए कि जो डेटा ट्रांसफ़र हो रहा है, ट्रांसमिट हो रहा है, दैट शुड बी एक्यूरेट. देर आर सम प्रॉब्लम्स, कुछ भी हो सकता है, डेटा ख़राब हो सकता है, करप्ट हो सकता है, फाइल में वायरस हो सकता है. ये सारी चीज़ें डेटा की एक्यूरेसी को इफ़ेक्ट करती हैं, ठीक है. Data that have been altered in the transmission, जो change हो जाता है, altered means changes, data that have been altered in transmission and left uncorrected are unusable. Now, what are the properties? First one was the delivery. Second one was the accuracy. Now, the third one is timeliness. The system must deliver data in a timely manner. Proper timing. Timing बहुत matter करते हैं, ठीक है? If I want to have an email by any company at 1 o'clock, it must be with me at 1 o'clock, right? It will be useless if it delivers late. Data delivered late are useless. As I said, in the case of video and audio, timely delivery means delivering data as they are produced in the same order that they are produced and without significant delay. This kind of delivery is called real-time transmission. We have discussed about it, the real time, right? Without any delay, there are two real-time, soft real-time and hard real-time, but this is the common real-time transmission, that without the delay, data should be transferred to the concerned person or concerned workstation. So these are the three properties, that is the delivery, accuracy and timeliness. These are the three properties of a good communication system. Now, any question? Okay, Tokir, what is the hybrid topology? Yes, Tokir, can you hear me? What is the hybrid topology? Sine. Sine, what is the ring topology? Okay, now this is all for today. From the next week, we'll revise the previous lectures of your which are included in your midterm, like chapter number 1, 2, 3, and 4.